I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 17th of March. Clouds, we've had them for days, and guess what? We'll have them for 2 more days, but wait until Friday. That day looks pretty good. We'll get there. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. Downtown Birmingham from the Daniel Building looking north. It's cloudy and cool. Yeah, you can see those low clouds hanging over the city of Gadsden there in that shot from the Skycam up on Nakalula Mountain overlooking the city. And down in Dallas County, that's a Selma Skycam looking at the Edmund Pettus Bridge, which, of course, crosses the Alabama River. Well, there's the deal. We've got one feature moving across the central Gulf Coast this morning, producing more clouds. And the next impulse you can see up there near Kansas City, and that'll be rotating through as well. And both of those have the potential to bring a little light rain in spots, but probably not much up here today and tomorrow. All the rain today should be down south. Say all the rain, most of it should be down south. That's the Mobile radar early this morning, and rain's pretty widespread down there. Mobile and Baldwin counties, it is raining at Biloxi, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Destin. And down there it's not going to rain all day, but for those that are on the spring break down there, this is their probably wettest day of the week. Here's a look at temperatures this morning, and they just don't budge much in this kind of pattern. They kind of sit there all day and all night, not much range. We've got mid to upper 40s, highs today probably in the 50s. Still way below average. We should be at 66 this time of the year. But we can be thankful the weather is relatively quiet. No major severe weather problems, flooding issues, snowstorms. The nation very, very quiet today. There's the QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. This goes all the way through the weekend, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch here. And the bulk of that will be early Sunday morning, as you'll see. And hey, looky here. Convective outlook day 4, that is Saturday. A risk of severe weather from near Houston to almost Selma, Alabama. Includes most of Mississippi, pretty good chunk of Louisiana, southeast Arkansas. And we will review that as we go along here. This is the OZGFS, valid today, and this is actually valid this morning at 6 o'clock. I'm still struggling with the time change here. These first few looks will be 6 a.m. looks, so this is 6 o'clock this morning. And again, the Vortex shows up near Mobile, the next one near Kansas City. Down below that, the bulk of the rain should stay down south this morning. And again, some of that might kick back up in here this afternoon. So some of you might see a raindrop or two later today or tonight, but the rain should be light and spotty. And really the same thing tomorrow. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. That looks pretty dry. A coastal storm developing east of Charleston in the Atlantic. But again, I get the idea tomorrow will be a mostly cloudy day. And again, that's early in the morning. Later, there could be a shower around. But Friday, that's going to be the good day there. We think that bone-crushing subsidence will finally get the clouds out of here. The sun comes out, and we warm up. We should be at 70 Friday afternoon. And boy, won't that feel good. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, here comes our trough back off to the west. Down below that, we'll dry. Again, this is Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Look at the snow out there over Kansas and Iowa, west Oklahoma. But I think Saturday will be dry and mild. We'll be around 70. Clouds should gradually increase. And then we'll go to Sunday. This is Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And by golly, this run of the GFS is coming in stronger and deeper with this system. We'll look at Sunday morning. And again, that's Sunday morning at 7 a.m., A strong surface low is now located well south of Chicago with a trailing front and a band of thunderstorms blowing through here. And then at noon on Sunday, the bulk of that rain begins to shift out of here. So again, the timing kind of looks like a midnight to noon type thing. That's our main 12-hour window for showers and storms. And let's kind of peek at the severe weather parameters. Let's go to 3 o'clock Sunday morning. All right, this is the middle of the night. That is 0 to 1 kilometer storm relative helicity. Veering of the wind in the low levels. This can mean rotating updrafts, and those numbers are sky high through West Alabama, and that would just flag severe weather all over the place. But look at the instability. There is none. And that should be our limiting factor. So, again, for now, even though the model is coming in stronger and more dynamic, that's going to be the main limiting factor for severe weather. Having said that, come on, this is mid to late March. You got to watch these things, and we might be burning the midnight oil there. But for now, unless we see some decent instability in here, looks like it will really limit what could happen there. All right, early next week on Monday, again, the idea of a surface wave is off the board. That just looks cool and dry. Now, Monday morning could be pretty cold if this is right. If we clear out, we could get down there in the mid-30s, and that's where the model has been printing numbers here lately. So we'll have to watch out for some folks flirting with a freeze Monday morning, but we'll warm up during the day. And there's Tuesday of next week, looks pretty good. Mostly sunny, and we'll be well up in the 60s there. We'll go out there later in the week. This is Thursday of next week, March 25th. Here comes our next trough, and here comes our next batch of rain. If that's right, that would wet us down. And we'll go away out there to the end of the forecast on April 1st. April Fools. Ridge in the middle, troughs on each coast, and we're kind of in between there, but you can see the pattern looks pretty energetic. Things tend to be pretty active around here this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.